Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the Sehat channel. Today we are going to talk about how eating more bright color fruits and vegetables may boost women's health. So stay with us and get more information about that.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए।
Viewers, researchers reviewed studies investigating the effect of carotenoids on women's health outcomes. They found that higher carotenoids intake may reduce risk of developing multiple health conditions. Although women tend to have longer lifespan than men, they also have more health conditions, while women tend to have more robust immune system than men. They also account for 80% of autoimmune conditions. Researchers found that intake of pigmented carotenoids may be important for preventing visual and cognitive loss. Viewers, this review was published in Nutritional Neuroscience, and this review built on decades of conclusively showing that a diet high in fruits and vegetables, many of which contains carotenoids responsible for some of the vivid colors of fruits and vegetables, is associated with healthy aging and longevity and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Viewers, now we are going to tell you which fruits and vegetables are rich in carotenoids. That includes bell peppers, broccoli, cantaloupe, carrots, kale, mangoes, oranges, spinach, tomatoes, watermelon. Viewers, we hope that you will add all these fruits and vegetables in your diet to improve your health. We also hope that you have liked today's video, so don't forget to comment in our comment box. That is important to us. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself until next video. Bye.